It's about investing where you have the best people and the best creativity and the best ability to work together. If we continue to focus on those three things, we will continue to be not only successful as a company, but we'll continue to attract capital, we'll continue to attract opportunity to places like Conroe. We're investing in the right place, we're investing in the right time, the right chemistry, but most importantly, we're investing in the right people.
What the E-grade products are going to do, how it's going to help the semiconductor industry, it's extraordinarily exciting. And we're, again, incredibly proud that Conroe is going to play a role in that.
The Conroe side is part of the division Performance Products. During the tour, we have the ability here to enter into a brand new space of innovation. Semiconductor is right now the one that is very dynamic and growing, especially on the back of AI. And I think you have to see that today, that this investment here in Conroe will serve our customer not only in the America, but also all other places around the world.